Hey guys, I'm Nick from Micro Center. So as you may or may not know, some of our power spec computers, like the N106 model, has Ubuntu installed on it. Ubuntu is a type of Linux operating system that comes on one of our power spec computers. And a lot of people are kind of iffy about Linux because it's not Windows or not Mac. What we're going to show you today is the main similarities between Ubuntu, Linux for example, and Windows and Mac OS and whatnot. So let's get started.
Alright, so we're at the Ubuntu desktop. This is what you're going to see when you first log on. Let's go ahead and take a look at the open source version of Office. Now with the Windows computer you'll have Microsoft Office. With Linux and pretty much all open source operating systems you'll have what's called OpenOffice or Libreoffice, and they pretty much work the exact same way. They come pre-installed on Ubuntu 12.10 and later versions, a couple earlier versions as well. Basically, if you look at the left-hand side of the screen here, you have Libreoffice Writer, that's the equivalent of Word. You'll have Calc, which is like Excel and things like that, and you'll have Impress, which is like PowerPoint. If you open one up, look pretty much the exact same. It's a simpler look, it is, but it has the exact same features and options. Change the font size, all your other options, your format, your tables, your tools, everything else, those are all up here at the top. You just take your mouse and push it up. You can click on those. They have drop downs and menus and everything like that you can choose. Pretty much works the exact same way. It's organized the exact same way as Microsoft Word and Microsoft Office in general. So top of paper, you can still save it as a Word document too. So if I just want to just type this out real quick, I can go up to File, I can go down to Save As, and I can save it in all formats. I can save it in ODF, I can save it in all those, and you can go into Microsoft Word and save it as a .doc, .docx, so on and so forth. It works just like Office, and it's pretty much 100% compatible with Microsoft Office as well. So you can save all those just like that. I'm going to minimize this. Let's take a look at the Outlook side of things, for example. Microsoft Office, you have Outlook. In Linux, you have a number of different options. One of the most popular is Thunderbird. If you open up Thunderbird and I haven't set up an account, you have your inbox over here, you'd have your account here. You can make a new account, add your email account into Thunderbird just like you would with Outlook. It works the exact same way. Send, receive emails, create all your customized looks and folders and everything else. Works exactly the same. It's just open source and free. And your browser, Microsoft Windows, comes with Internet Explorer. With Ubuntu and most other Debian-based Linuxes, you get Firefox. Same icon, looks exactly the same. Firefox web browser works exactly the same as normal Firefox. You can download Chrome still in Chromium and a couple dozen other browsers that you can choose from, all within the Ubuntu Software Center, which is like your Play Store or your App Center or your Windows App Store. It's pretty much the exact same as Windows. It looks different. It has a little different compatibility with programs, but you can still check your email, get on Facebook, play a lot of games, and pretty much just enjoy your YouTube videos and everything else like you would in Windows. The benefit is you get a fully free operating system. It's almost 100% virus free, much more secure, and the reason for that is because it's not as often, it's not as widely used as Windows and Mac computers, which both are very susceptible to viruses nowadays. The Mac world is definitely increasing in its popularity for getting viruses. Linux is still way behind in the running for that, but it's slightly possible. There's a number of free antiviruses you can get which work fantastic for Ubuntu and other open source operating systems. That's just a basic overview of how they're similar. We have a number of other videos for Linux and pretty much everything else on our website, microcentertech.com. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact us at chat.microcentertech.com. It's our no-wait free chat support. Feel free to log in there anytime, ask us some questions. We'll help you out best we can.